Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you Roadone standard load driver wheel position product 315 80R22.5 HF31, which is suitable for long distance, high speed in highway, national road standard load. The product has a variety of properties such as wheel resistance, comfort, safety, fuel saving, etc. First of all, the padding depth is 16.5 mm, the grounding section width is 240 mm. The high saturation padding design, the grounding padding shape is reasonable, the pressure is uniform, optimized profile design, stone injection treatment at the groove bottom, and widened block design at the shoulder provides excellent anti-biting and better stone injection performance. Secondly, the special high-speed super variable tread recipe ensures higher mileage in mixed road conditions and high speed on national road. Special cap structure and a specific 4-belt cap design, low heating recipe, and optimized shoulder design inhibits deformed wear. The maximum load capacity of this product is less than 1.5 times. The total weight of the 1F plus 2D plus 3T vehicle is less than 60 tons. The recommended speed is no more than 120 km per hour. At the same time, special cap structure and specific 4-belt cap design, reinforced and flexible carcass and base structure, and high-performance steel cord compound formula ensures multiple treading of tires and the safety of drivers.